Guys, today I want to talk to you about data racks. Now, many of your homes have got data racks in them, so it's a centralised location where all of your equipment sits, and that might be from NVR recorders, so for your cameras, it might be audio for amps and things that run your cinema. There's data switches in there, there's your router for your internet, there's all sorts of things that are inside this cabinet, and basically they're generating heat all the time, and quite often they've got fans going as well. Now, what happens, doesn't matter how clean your home is, they will attract dust, guaranteed. So I'm just going to flick around here and I'll show you an example where we've got a cabinet that's it's actually the one in our showroom here, and it's in a very clean environment. However, it's still got dust on there and it's due for a really good clean. Okay, so as we can see here, right, so this is the side of one of our recorders. Now, this dust on the shelf here really needs a good clean, but more importantly, see down in here, this is a fan that kicks in and out depending on heat. Now, what it's doing the whole time is it's actually sucking air in through there, and you can see it on the grill and inside there. So what happens is it gets inside the equipment and causes big problems. I'll show you what I mean. So this is the same sort of device. It's another camera recorder, an old one we pulled out of a job. Now, if we look down here, that would be the same sort of thing as the fan that sucks that air through. Now, in here, I'll just try and steer this on my camera. Have a look at how dirty that is, right? So we wipe that dust off. Now, all these little components here, all these tracks and all these little components, they're all little metal components. Now, what happens is that when this dust builds up, if it gets any sort of moisture on there, which can happen, but more importantly, just the buildup of dust itself can actually short out all these little contacts. And so when these contacts short out, of course, what happens is your device fails and you need to give us a phone call urgently because something's gone wrong. Now, of course, with urgency comes a premium generally, and it's going to cost you money. This brings me to a conversation about maintenance. Now, what we do is generally every 12 months, we try and touch base with clients and offer them that we come out and go through these sorts of things. So be it dust in your cabinet, just rejigging things. There might have been some stuff that's changed throughout the year, or it could be software updates, and that's another really important one. What we do is we basically give it an overall health check to make sure that everything's good, and if it's not good, we fix up what's there so that then on a Saturday night when you're entertaining with guests, you don't have technology that falls over. So our system health checks come in various sizes. Of course, depends on how big your house is and what needs to be done. But what we can assure you is that we're going to try to eliminate system failures by doing so, by looking after your equipment, making sure there's no dust and things in there and just checking stuff out. We're going to make sure the software is up to date so that all your apps and all those things all talk correctly and operate with each other as they should, because all it takes is one device to update its software and then other things won't talk to it. We're going to be able to maintain your installations quality. We're going to be able to make sure that if, let's say, Telstra has been through there, as they do, and they start unplugging leads and rerouting things, etc., it just makes a mess. So when it comes time for you to fault find, it's really difficult because you've got to work through that mess. We'll get all that back to how it should be so it's easy to understand. And of course, we could also make any adjustments that you guys need. So there might be something that's not quite been right from when we first put it in, or something's changed in the way you live, you need a scene changed, or you might need a camera adjusted, or even additional cameras put in. Those sorts of things, that's the time we can do that. So it's worthwhile that we come in once every 12 months, just do it once over and give you an idea of where you're at. So please, if you feel there's some value in having us out to your place, give us a call, give us an email, or flick us a message here on Instagram. Thanks very much, guys. Have a great day.